Welcome back to Ultimate Crypto Bureau channel. Guys, it's been a long time. We haven't made a video. We've been busy with a lot of other projects. So I'm now back to making videos on our price predictions. So today we're going to discuss three good layer one projects, which I believe will do extremely well in next 12 to 6 months. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so you can get the best information available on YouTube. And we are here to drive you through this coming bull market. So let's jump straight into it. The first coin we are going to discuss today for the price prediction is called Alium. Why I believe Alium will do extremely well in next 6 to 12 months, basically. The reason why is because Alium is trying to bring in smart contracts into Bitcoin's ecosystem. And I know you guys have heard this before. However, Alium's technology has been really good. And, I have managed to get Alium very early in 2023. So, and as you guys can see, the price chart of Alium here, it has significantly moved up. It went all the way till from around, around this time, from 0.04, it went all the way till about, 3.82, which was around, nearly 95x from its lower prices. Still, it's quite high. If you have a look at it, the today's price of Alium is 1.86. And if you look at the tokenomics of Alium, market cap is only 158 million market cap. The maximum supply is 1 billion. Total supply right now out there, it's around, nearly 200 million, right? The FDV for it, I guess, it's 1.8 billion. That's if all the Alium coins are out there. So with the new technology, with better blockchain, I believe Alium could easily go to around roughly around $20 to $25. That's my price prediction. As you guys can see, in early in February 2024, it went to 3.8. I believe Alium has got room to grow much higher. When we hit the banana zone, I believe Alium will easily go to around, at least I'm expecting to be $20, anywhere between $20 to $25. That's what I'm expecting for Alium to do. Great technology, really good team, bringing something new. Also, some people consider Alium as the KASPA killer or KASPA's main competitor. And as a result of that, I believe Alium has got, it's not been, not many influencers actually speak about Alium at all. I haven't seen many videos of Alium. There are some videos here and there. However, no one has done any in-depth analysis on it. We have a video on Alium. I'll put the link in the description if you guys willing to watch it and learn what Alium actually can do. So yeah, that's my price prediction for Alium, between $20 to $25. Next coin, and I know this one is a lot of people's favorite. You guys have been asking me about this, called KASPA, right? So first and foremost, KASPA has got around 24.27 billion, 28.704 billion market cap, total max supply actually. And circulating supply is around 24.27 billion. That means 84% of the KASPA is already out in the market, right? KASPA needs to be mined, so it's a proof of work blockchain. The current market value is around 4.31 billion market cap, right? And FDV is around 5 billion market cap. I mean, absolutely nothing. The difference between the two is not really that much. I believe KASPA also has a lot of room. I believe KASPA could easily go to around 25 billion market cap at the peak of this bull market, I mean, next 6 to 12 months. So if we're looking at around 25 billion market cap, If you times the price from 0.17, we're looking at around, 5x from here or 6x from here. It could reach anywhere. 6x from here, I would say, will reach anywhere between 1.2 to $1.5 price range. As you guys can see, KASPA has not seen, I mean, if you look at the all-time low, I managed to get it into sub-penny levels as well. Back in December 2023, I believe. And yeah, I've been, it's been on a bull market, as you guys can see. Even during 2023, it has been on the bull market continuously, basically. So its price is doing higher lows, and that means this will continue to go up. I mean, what does KASPA actually do? KASPA, everyone believes that KASPA has solved the trilemma problem that we have in the blockchain, the scalability, the security, and the decentralization. However, I have just one concern for KASPA. I believe it's got a really good technologies there. The team is really good. It's been highly backed up. It had a fair launch and mostly owned by the investors rather than VCs. And it's what it needs really is KASPA needs to have some applications being built on top of it, basically, to be able to compete with the likes of other blockchains out there. And they are trying to portray themselves as a cryptocurrency where people are going to use KASPA like Bitcoin. However, I mean, even on Bitcoin, as we know, we are trying to build some stuff on top of the Bitcoin's blockchain, which is really the basic blockchain you could ever get. So for KASPA to actually move at a very higher price, like $10 or $20 or even $25 in, I believe KASPA could do it. However, they need to practically prove to everyone else that, look, we are actually solving the trilemma problem. We have actually smart contracts. We are proof of work. KASPA is getting mined. And secondly, and finally, KASPA can build some dApps on top of it as well, which would be a great results for the community as well. So my price prediction for next 6 to 12 months, I would say roughly between 1.2 to $1.5. That's how high KASPA could reach at the peak of the bull market in next 6 to 12 months. So yeah, guys, that's KASPA. And the final coin I'm going to discuss in this video is Mina protocol. Right, many of you don't even know what Mina protocol actually is. It is the lightest, smallest in terms of kilobyte size. In terms of the size, it is the smallest blockchain out there. It's really heavily backed up by the VCs, guys. If you look at the tokenomics of it, roughly the total supply and the circulating supply, it's 96% of Mina is already out in the market. So you're not going to be able to see some big dumps coming up at all. I mean, 5.9 million 519 million market, guys, go on. This could easily do 20x. Okay, this could easily do 20 to 25x. I mean, if this one goes to 20 billion market cap, which it could go, Mina is building some stuff behind the scenes. So you're looking at around 40 to 50x from the current market price as well, guys. It's already been, its all-time high is about $7. I would suggest that this, according to me, having looked at what Mina does, the team behind it, the backing it has in the industry, everyone who are in crypto for a long time knows about Mina quite well. They have invested in Mina. I have also invested in Mina as well. And looking at the tokenomics, looking at the number of total supply available to what he originally has, right? And the price range as well. Right now is probably 51 cents. It's the cheapest it has been for a while. So we could potentially see this one going to between $20 to $25 easily, guys. I mean, during the peak of the bull market, and if we have a really good bull market after, if we have like some rate cuts in the US, Donald Trump becomes president, some of these layer one blockchains have always performed really, really well, guys. Really, really well. So if you look at like in 2021, 2022, right? Look at the layer ones that performed absolutely brilliantly. Okay, Ethereum performed really well. Solana was the outstanding performer of 2021, 2022 bull market, right? We had, Terra Luna at that point before it crashed, also outperformed most of it was also a layer one, right? They only went down because of the algorithmic stable coin. That was the problem with Terra Luna. If Terra Luna did not have that, Terra Luna would have been competing against the likes of Solana and other blockchains, and other layer one blockchains. Unfortunately, then went down quite drastically. What has happened, we all know that. If you look at Avalanche, also did extremely well in the last bull market. If you look at Polkadot, if you look at Cosmos, if you look at Elrond, all of these layer one blockchains outperformed, you know, the outperformed every other sector. So layer one sector is always gonna be critical and important, and it will outperform. So now the coins like Mina Protocol will do extremely well. KASPA will do well, Alephium will do well. These are newish, blockchains where, they have really good potential. They have got really good backing. They've got really good community. They have got really good price action. They have got really good technology as well, which is, as you can see, all the ingredients are there and the foundation is very strong for these coins to be able to do extremely well, even for the long term. I mean, like, look, even if you don't prefer, even if it doesn't perform at the price level that we are discussing, I mean, even if it goes like halfway through from, say, if Mina goes from, 51 cent to like $12 or something, I mean, that's a really good performance, right? That is, you're taking around what, roughly around 20, 25, 22, 25x, 24x. I mean, that's extremely good, right? So, and you can mine it, and you can stake it Mina as well, which is very good because you get around 10% return as well on it. So that's extremely, extremely good. So there you go, guys. Three further coins that we have discussed the price predictions for. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I see you guys in the next video.